Happy April 6th, girls. I come to you this morning with an attitude of gratitude, and I would love to hear from you in email about the first 5 things that pop into your mind as surprising high points to this stay-at-home period to help us lean into the positive. I'll offer the first 5 that popped into my mind. I love being able to get up early and practice a full hour of yoga before it is time to be moving toward school at home. I love playing board games and card games and dice games, and we have had lots of time for those. I have felt so lucky that we've been able to sit down for more family meals than we are in the habit of doing. Sometimes it's breakfast, lunch, and dinner that we enjoy together, all 6 of us. Enjoying the coziness of home has been so lovely, staying in our jammies, sometimes hours after we get out of bed, and wearing our slippers 24/7 are 2 of my favorite parts of the coziness of home. And Netflix, need I say more, and other online movies. I have been so surprised and amazed by how well some of my favorite 80s movies have held up and how much my kids have loved Adventures in Babysitting and Back to the Future 1 and 2 and The Karate Kid, among others. So I would love to hear from you the first 5 things that pop into your head as surprising benefits of this stay-at-home period. Enjoy your day.